What's up, YouTube? Working on my 03 Honda Civic EX. We're gonna do a lower control arm. I already did this side, so I'm gonna show you on the passenger side how to do it. It's fairly easy. If you got the tools, I'm pretty sure anyone can accomplish this job. First off, if you jack a car up, make sure you're using jack stands. I throw the tire underneath on each side, extra security. Last thing you want is a car to fall on you. So we got new arm here. Here's the old one that's on. The reason I'm changing it is the bushing's tore up. It's making a lot of noise. There's 3 bolts, or 2 bolts and a nut. One here, one here, nut here. Then you're gonna remove this little nut right there. That little nut right there. $19mm. I'm using an impact. See if it'll pop it loose. Okay, there's that one. Probably need a wrench on the other one because of the angle of it. Ratchet would probably be easier, but I like a good old boxing wrench. Get your cotter pin. Grab a tool real quick. Check this nut real quick. 14mm. Okay, you're gonna come down here, pull your cotter pin out. I believe this one is a 17. Boxing wrench is 17 on 19 on the other side. Crack this nut loose. Try to keep it flush. Normally you'd use a ball joint tool, but this is going to work for now. Once you see it pop up, you know it's broke loose. Get this out. We're going to take this off. If this doesn't come off like this, you would stick an Allen wrench in right here and hold that. See how it's turning right there? Sometimes you get lucky and they come off. ball joints are bad on this car. I'm gonna replace those too. But that'll be on a different video. Problem I'm having right now is the ball joint is spinning. I'm trying to take it off. So I gotta like grab it, keep the ball joint from moving. See if I can get a pinch on it. All right, so I ended up having to do a pair of vice grips around the ball joint so I can get the nut to come off right. So I got it coming off now. Okay, there's that. And this just pulls right out. If you look here, see that? That's a lot of my noise right there when I'm driving, clunking and clanking. Really annoying. So, it's a brand new one, nice and tight. Just take this one here, kind of get it going up in place. Take your nut, bolt, up in the bottom. I got that one started. This one started back in its hole. Okay. Just pop this here thing right back in here. Then you would normally just pop the ball joint in right here, tighten down your nut, put the cotter pin back in there. But that's all for now. I'll post another video of how to change the ball joint because that's my next job right now. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.